Another day, another dollar. Let's get it. Waiting for the candle to look a little too big. Missed it. See if we get another chance. Missed it again. No trades yet. We're still waiting for the candle to look overextended to one side. Trading in the middle of it is just too risky. Here we go. Let's see if we can get a puts play here. Once it reaches a little too far for itself. All right, we'll do one here. Happy to add this to the trade if we need to. There we go. Let's try it again. Man, this computer's working very slow. Okay, right there. Should see a nice sell-off right here. There we go. Man, this thing's so delayed. That should have been $12 profit on that contract, but it was 5. We're still honoring the previous 5-minute zone created by the downward trend this morning. Just get out there, I guess. All right, let's take a look at the 4-hour. Out of that zone, aren't we? Completely. Out of that zone. Man, what a pump overnight. Oh, that's 1 hour. My bad. That looks better. Yeah, it's a good line. Okay. Check another chart. It's mapped out. Did we get back in the zone? I think we did. Okay. I mean, no bias overall today. That drop, this is like fake, right? It's not fake, but like, I don't know ever to make of those. All right, that looks overextended to me. Oh, man. candle cancel that? Because it wouldn't be overextended on the new candle. Would not be overextended on the new candle. I'm actually going to take the loss on this one. Oh, wow. I thought we were going to come down because I'm looking for it to form a new high above this dashed line, and it didn't look like it. It looked like it was struggling too much, so I got out. Too risky. But if we break this high and hold, then we might come back down to retest it, and then we have to form a new zone, new trend line. Right now, the trend that's being honored is here. So it's got quite a bit of room still to the upside on this one. I'm not going to talk calls until down here though. Man, I might have to stop streaming. I'm getting too much lag. Right there. Oh, wow. $30 seconds. I shouldn't be able to hold this big of a push down. we should see some reaction. We're getting some reaction, but it's so small, so that makes me a little concerned. Nice. It's a good tank, so we're just going to take it off there. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Take the loser, take the loser. I don't know if it's going to retrace. I actually want to join this partay. If it comes back, yes it does. Get in there. Just because we're outside of this zone and it's retesting the zone. And there's the snap out of it. There we go. Not getting the greatest fills right now. It's unusual. Shorts still look good, don't they? I'll see if I get in. There we go. Retest down here. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. $10, not bad. This zone's still kind of valid. It's weak though. We have invalidation on the top, so you could get some invalidation on the bottom too. Breakthrough here or here. Pretty equal now between buyers and sellers. Wicks on the top and the bottom aren't that big. General indecision. Big institutions probably loading up on a move to the up or downside. Okay, we're invalidating the zone again. See if we get a reaction off of it. And there we go. Missed it. Scrolled away for 2 seconds. Okay, let's just take the 5. Terrible fill. Okay. It's ugly, but this dash zone is still valid. This is pretty much invalid unless we do something like this. Oops. Something like that. See if we retest the bottom here. Here we go. Going a little bigger on this one. Got the reaction I wanted, but I got greedy. Should have sold for 25 bucks. We're kind of barcoding those, so I should. Oh, but it's only 1 minute into this. Now it's the 950 algo, so we might push. Damn. Okay, we got to play that dotted line now to get us out of this trade. It's gonna come all the way back green. It's not going past this part for the options value. Right, almost. Right there. Okay, we're in big. That's good. I actually might hold this through to the opening of the next candle, because if this wicks and it closes like anywhere up here, we could have one that goes all the way up. Doesn't look like it's gonna happen though, huh? All right, let's double down on this last one. Oh, got a break. It's going all the way down to here. Invalid. Invalid. Valid but ugly. We're gonna just raise it up here. This is still valid. Let's see if we got some bulls waiting. They're not entering yet. No reaction. Look how small those reactions are. Tiny. Oh. But if you get a big enough reaction, you might get an algorithm that triggers to buy up all the sellers at each level. Right now it's triggering only as a small reaction. I hear your voice, feels like time. I mean, there it is. It's there. So let's. Oh, missed my entry by a cent. Oh dear. Hmm. Now it's invalidating the bottom side. I don't know. Is that sustainable? Man, I wish I would have gotten my 5 con entry right there. Whew. All right. I think we push down a little bit more to get some more buyers. Just looking for a quick scalp on this one. Hmm. Dang. Didn't get it. So now I'm. There's no good plays right here. This is a terrible spot to enter. I should have just waited. Because you have a dotted line. You have a middle. Plays off the middle are tough. I bounced off of that right there. But we're hovering around between those 2 points. Exactly right there, man. Got that one. Okay, we've retraced the full body of the candle. And it didn't have a momentum to keep going, so it's a little iffy right now. We're still in the middle. I might cut this one short. I don't know if I'm going to hold this one. Yeah. Okay. Wherever the top is on here will determine our new, oh, golly. That looks right. That looks right. If this is the bottom wick, and we connect those, yes, perfectly parallel. Okay. I'd rather get calls, but I'm willing to do puts if it comes back to the top of this. See that reaction? So this zone's being validated. Obviously, this old overnight morning session zone is still valid. I mean, kind of. I do think we push up again. Like an angel crying. Just because if it opens, oh, we still have 3 minutes. But if the next one opened right here, we'd get a pop. Could be small, but it would happen. How am I down 50? Isn't that where I entered? 5, 118. So 114. Oh, I got in just a little too soon. Boom, there's the reaction. Oh, we didn't go that far though. Okay. Less likely. Less confident. Because now if we open down here, we're opening outside the zone. So it needs to push up. How much time we got? 45 seconds. It needs to close up here so it opens up still in this 5-minute zone. Nice. Nice. Okay, let's see if I can hold this last con. Because that's a great place to close right there. As a doji, that's fine. Actually, it needs to be a little bit green. Come on, market. Oh. Risky. So we'll retrace the body of the candle. Yeah, boom. But I'm not going to hold longer than that. So I'm out. It's just too close for invalidation. Oh no, it was good. 1 minute has it a little looser. I don't like that though. Okay. Be a little more accurate. I was slightly off with that pop. I don't know. Could have been dead on. That's all right. Quick sell off. So now I'm a little bit more biased for puts because we're not even able to make that back up to these levels right now. I mean, it's valid, bro. It's valid. Okay, so maybe we'll wait until the top. It's got some push in it. Getting bored. See if I can get a quick scalp. Could have. My entry was better. Got too bored too soon. This is a halfway mark where I don't like to enter. I only like to exit trades halfway through a channel. But now I'm paying the price. One more push, right? Almost. Almost. Oh, shit. Just jump to the top. All right, I'm scared. Ooh. That's overextended. Come on. We'll raise this to here. Right there. Coincides with 2 levels. We should get a reaction. Yeah. But is it big enough to save our butts? New candle. It's gonna be close. Come on, drop. There's the drop. Our entry was not good enough though. A little bit more. All right, I'll de-risk. All right, I'm going to shave a few off here. Cut a couple losers. So instead of 6, I'll just have 3. Just in case it pops through this level. I'll get crushed so bad. Okay, let's see. It's breaking through. It's okay. I'm still in the opening range. I'm starting to hurt. One day I'll have a nice office to trade from. I don't know, I'm just in my bedroom. Okay. This channel's still. Oh, I could have gotten 10 off that top. Didn't they say I wanted calls down? I think I was in this play and I chickened out. I chickened out too soon. 5, 10, 15, 20. I chickened out too soon. Life lesson. Right there. Boom. Okay, this will come back and get me green on this trade. What? Seems way overextended. There we go. Come back. Come back. Come back. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Come on. Oh, I got greedy. I should have cut it. Came all the way back down to break even. Come on, why is it lagging? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Retrace the body. Boom. Okay, right at the bottom of the channel. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Get out, get out, get out. Why is it lagging so bad? All right, I think I might have to stop the stream. It's affecting me. Oh, it never sold. Oh, come on. I need to get out of this. Oh my gosh, it's loading so slow. All right, let's stop the stream. It's lagging too much. I'm not having good fills. I also have way too many windows open. Maybe I should try that first. Let me just close some here. Close, close, close. Oh, it's because I have futures open right now. That's why. Okay, close the futures. There we go. Let's see if it goes a little better. Let's see if that works better. What are you doing? Calls off this bottom? Cheaper contract. My little brother just had a baby, and baby had to be taken to the NICU. Hope everything's okay. Gosh. Okay, zone being invalidated. So the battle right now is between a breaking of this 5-minute zone, upward trend, to downside, maybe at the 50% fib, versus breaking through finally this downward overall trend that we've had since early morning, and we're retesting it for more upside. So that's the battle that's being taken place right now. For that reason, I'll go ahead and not cut my loser, and I'll hold just to see if this play plays out. Because if it does, then you're looking at a high. If it's in this candle, you're looking for a huge pop up to 660 on the Q's options chart. See how Adobe's doing. Slightly down. Need Adobe to stay in that channel for like a year. Battle still happening. It's a little lower than I want, so it's because it's probably here. Yes. Doesn't look right. There we go. Okay, let's see which battle will win. Institutions and market movers algorithms are triggering and getting canceled and triggering, and because there's indecision, right? They don't know which one's going to play out. When they don't play out, you can get this lull effect where it continues to consolidate, especially given the fact that we are bull flagging here. Okay, we have a wick zone on the bull flag. Failed bull flags are one of my favorite things to trade. But they're scary because they can, the one that pushes away from the flag the farthest on the opening of the next, you can get a retracement. This is my favorite trade. So like, let me detail out what my favorite trade is. This comes down, closes down here below all these lows. You might get a bullish reaction during the candle a few times to find these buyers. but then it closes down here. The next one opens, touches it, and rejects hard. And then the next candle drops. It doesn't even have a top wick. All right, this is just an overextended candle, so I'm just going to trade it. It's too big for its own good. So we're just getting a quick little scalp here. Oh, it's going to be close. Was my entry good enough? Don't get greedy, chick. Just sell. Sell for break even. It's a failing flag right now. And the support, the main support is pretty dang far away. Look at these. Whew. You can't even get this bottom one before hitting the overset night session lows. That might be yesterday's though, I don't know. Let's see. Or 2 days ago. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So, like I said, we retrace up to here and then we drop. Ooh. Ooh, we dropping early. Okay, that's very bearish. Very bearish. It's happening so soon, though. I don't know if I believe it. This is the beginning of the candle. Oh, it's hard. Usually, like have it creep up and then it drops. It creeped up so fast and then it dropped so fast. I feel like there's more sellers up here. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna. We might break that low. Oh, man, I should have got in. Now it's a little too late. It's a little too late. I'm a little too right. I'm a little too wrong. I'll try to ride it, but it's like, no, I can't. I can't. The risk reward is just not there because we got major supports right here. Plus, below this candle low is just like literally right here. You could get a pop right here. Let's see. Let's see if we get the pop, then maybe we can enter. Let's see if we can absorb some buyers. Right there. All right, let's see what happens now. Oh, oh, there's the pop. Okay. Okay. Now the algos have to trigger to buy up all these sellers sitting in here until they people that triggered that algo, unless the market movers place their sells here. So they'll be willing to buy just to sell up here. Then they don't care if they take it lower because they have a lot of positions that they built up in these wicks. Seller stepping in, not letting it go, but it's still pretty early in the candle, so we'll see. I almost want to get long with them because, yeah, I gotta put my money where my mouth is. If I think that's what's gonna happen, let's try it. All right, there's the entry. Okay, there's the push. Oh, it's not sustaining. There we go. Get the small market movers out of the way. Their algorithms are going to trigger sell below this dashed line. They don't want it to go above this dashed line, right? Because the smart money movers, market movers, got in their positions on these wicks. We're filling these positions. And then the smaller market movers, the weaker ones, they were fulfilling their puts position on this one, seeing how big this one gapped down. So they don't want it to come back to here because then their contracts are worthless. So they're going to try to hold here. But I think the big market movers want to get them out of the way and then they'll sell. The question is, are they strong enough to hold this? And so the market movers give up and they're willing to take the sell. Yeah, we didn't finish the candle. So I will cut it actually. Darn, I was hoping that in one candle they could do it, but I'm not willing to risk it happening in two candles. Just because then it looks more like a bullish action to the upside. Okay, these market movers are winning right now. So the big market movers, I think, might give up. Let's go down to 1 minute and see where the biggest volume is. Big on this buy up. Big right here on a green candle. This red one's not as big as I thought. Okay. Doesn't tell us much, but oh man, am I gonna be right? Okay, above this candle high, these market movers are gonna sell. Possibly. Anything could happen. This could be a true bullish action, so I have no idea. I'm gonna get in a little early just because I don't want to miss this. If they flush, go all the way down to this blue line. Oh, we already kind of touched it with this green. Let me just see. Overnight lows into the red box. Yeah. Oh dear. Okay. Let me just push these red boxes out farther. Maybe we go this low. I have to check the daily again. Let's check the daily. We're hanging on by a thread. The bulls wanted to close above this. Above these bodies. Maybe we touch it. What is that? 656. 50. 56, 50. Oh, it's not even close. 556.50. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to go that low. Okay, they're going to take profit, right? Those scumbags are going to take profit right here. I think this could be true bullish, so I don't go quite as big. Okay, big wick. Let's see a big wick here. They have to make it look like it's bullish. Come on, please be right. They have to make it look like it's bullish. So a lot of liquid coming in, a lot of volume coming in. Is it a true? I mean, normal price action would say this should be bullish because you have a huge wick here. This is the bottom. Swipe the bottom. Retest at the 50% mark. Fib. Let me just see if that is the fib. Yeah, golden pocket even. Retrace into the golden pocket and expansion higher with a good close too. Jeez. Okay, now I'm doubting my thesis because we closed so well. And we're just in it. I was hoping this would stay a wick zone, but like we now have a body in the candle in that area. I mean, good thing I didn't go 5 cons. Huge sell-off here. Big sell-off here. This is your seller's window. So this is the chance. This is the chance for my idea to be true. It's right here, right at the bottom of those body. Okay, let's see. I think the bulls are going to get effed, but we'll see. We're going to go into the box just a little more. Selling off a little early. That can be a good side. Or you might the bulls might be exhausting some of the sellers. So they exhaust this first zone right here of sellers. Then they let it push a little higher. It bounces out. They let it push a little higher, bounces out, and then the bulls overcome all of the sellers. That's if it's going to be bullish. I'm obviously biased for bearish. I think there's enough sellers here that it's going to trigger a chain reaction down. Like the biggest move of the morning down is my hope. Like this is going to be a big move down. Or at least a 56.50. Where's that 56.50? Right. Yeah, basically the blue line. Let's see. Gosh, this crevice in the freaking middle of my forehead. I never notice it when I look into a mirror. Only when I stream, like I see this. I'll scroll over to see, and it's just like I'm relaxed, and I have all this tissue. Okay, here we go. Good sell-off. We don't want to close this candle. We don't want to close inside this wick zone or above it. We do want to close below. And we got 2 minutes for the sellers to step in. The closer we get to that 5-minute mark, the close of this candle, the less likely my bias is. But you could have a trigger. You could have an algo that triggers at the 50-second mark, the last 10 seconds of the candle, or 30 seconds of the candle. All right, theta is starting to eat it up because it's taking so long. Freaking heck. Oh, the question is, do I try one more time? One more time. I think I do. Go a little higher, brother. The seller zone is actually pretty big. It's all the way up to here. Whew. That's the scary part for the sellers. Like, when do you step in? It's too much. It's too big. Come on. So now I'm just looking to take profit or break even. I don't believe in my trade that much anymore. Not with that pump. Unless you get a huge sell-off. Like I said, it closed down here, then maybe I'll hold. Here we go. Last few seconds of the candle. No, I don't believe in my thesis. Looks like a true bullish. So if it's true bullish, now I'm looking for more buyers to step in below this candle's low, the body or the wick. So I would be getting out just before that to be safe. Oh, no bottom wick though. This could be a breakaway candle, leaving a fair value gap. If there's still a bunch of sellers here, now would be a good time for the bulls because there's obviously they need liquidity in the market. They want big positions. So that would be a good time to burst through it. All right, here we go. Big sell-off. Come on. All the way down to at least this line that we're breaking through. Oh, wow. Dude, this freaking trade took me all the way back to break even on the day. F and heck. Was that up at 200? No. 145. Free, dude. They got all the way up to here. They have so far to go. Whoops. To retest. No. Oh, we're sweeping the highs? Is that what we're doing? Dirty. That'd be so dirty if now it tanks. Because it looked like true bullish action. Volume's picking up. Oh, shoot. I wasn't paying attention. Fudge. Oh, it went all the way back down to the line that I said I was going to get out at. And then it bounced. Flipping A. Now it's the end of this candle. We got 30 seconds. Oh, gosh. Oh, I missed. Did it hit break even on that trade? Somebody. Who's watching? Who's watching that can tell me? Chat? 0 people watching. Fuck. How did I miss that? Ugh. Where's the market go now? We closed this green candle. We grabbed extra. Yeah, flipping heck. We still didn't close above those candles high, though. Oh. Okay. Let's rethink here. Rethink. This is invalid. Broke through. Yeah, it's a bullish flag. The flip. No, it's not a bullish flag. All right, the distance between here and the support. Oh. What's the distance there? There's where it found support. So we do the same. We just move the box. Yeah. Yeah, right there. It's a little off, but pretty dang close. Market likes parallel lines. So you have, so what I'm trying to say is you have support from here to here. Oh, I could just go like this, here to here, and then repeat that here to here. Oh my gosh, it's exact. And if that becomes the low, then this will pump and find support right there. When I wait, yeah, I want to break through this. Ugh, the bulls, man. Fake me out. I missed it. Greediness is getting me today. Because I should have gotten out break even on that one. And then I should have just been break even on, or $20 on that one. $52, heck yeah. Good fill. We're at the bottom of that line, so of course it's gonna pump. Jake, why didn't I get the calls? Why aren't I believing the calls? Why? What is in me that's not believing it? All right, let's take a relook here. We got quite a ways of room to touch the top. Guess we have a halfway point here. Too many lines though. Support, support, breakthrough, break unders, resistance, resistance, resistance. Yeah, I mean, we made new all-time highs overnight. We're gonna retest the all-time high. Man, this market is so annoying. If it breaks through that, that'd be so annoying. It's so bullish it breaks through this upward trend. That's already pretty steep. Holy cow. Sellers just taking a vacation. It's going down like $2. There we go. There. $120 play. It's not bad. This one I'm waiting for it to break through and then tank. But I sneaked. Oh man, 11 o'clock. Okay, here's the hourly. About to close. Or does it close on the half-hour mark? Can I remember? No, the hour. Yeah, it's gonna close so bullish. Look at that. Engulfing 2 candles. We're hugging the top of the channel. Crazy. Let's see it pump a little higher. Well, maybe I'll get inputs again. Dear, oh dear. This is where we find support. Break through, and this is our support level. Equidistant. This trade I'm holding on because like body to body, we're missing a support zone down here. We never touched it. We gapped away. So that play I'm holding on to in hopes that it comes down to here, the VWAP basically. But wick to body, and then wick to body, and then here's the wick, and the body would be this one. Somewhere up here, we find support. It's crazy, brother. All right, dissociate. Oh, just for a minute. A little bit of 2048. So I can get a new high. Missed it. Okay. We should still see support at this level, which is holding true, honestly. When am I going to learn this lesson? I don't know. Like, I should be willing to take calls every time it touches this level, because look, it's where we're at. Dude, it just keeps pumping. My golly. I wish I wasn't in this trade so I could see clearly. I hear your voice. If it breaks below, though, and holds, then we could get some downside. Like, what in the freak? Are we going to double top? So high. I'm gonna take you there in the middle of the night. Market slowing down. Son of a bear. Son of a bear. I always do that in this game. Okay. There we go. There's the support. You should see some support here. I want it to break down. I want it to break down. Eventually, it's got to break down. Okay, just waiting for it to come up here. I'll try puts again. For the love of all that is good. What are we doing in this market? That buy up, man. It's crazy. This bull's run has to come to an end someday. But when? When? Oh man, I knew. So now you can pump even higher to here. Zone is still valid. I can't believe I didn't get that calls position. Such an easy play. Here we go. Are we gonna go outside the zone finally? You should get a reaction still off this support level, but then hopefully we can break through and that'll signal downside. But just in case we pop again. See if we can go into that body of the previous candle at least a little bit. See if we can go halfway actually. But if it can go halfway, why wouldn't it go all the way? I do think we for breakdown, so let's just take it there and see if it breaks down farther. Oh, 3/4 of the body. Usually if it goes 3/4, it usually goes the whole way. I guess that could be half. It needs to go a little further. If it goes a little farther, then it'll probably go the whole way. Just from experience of watching charts, it just never seems like there's sellers sitting at the 3/4 mark. Yeah, it's either half or full or sweep. Oh, why didn't I hold? We're in an upward trend. Channel's being respected. Damn, bro. I suck at trends because I always think they're going to break, and they just never do. Why? Why can't I see? All right, last push. It's too big though. Let's get a step here. And then we'll do another one up here. Just looking for a small sell-off on this one. Big sell-off coming though. I get $15, that's it. There it is. There it is, man. It's okay. Just keep missing. All right, bigger sell-off than I thought. Dude, the next candle that opens, see how big this candle is? It needs to close like way up here. Every time it closes down here, we're just creeping at this line. And finally we'll break it. Fatty Bombati. It's breaking, so this is not a smart play. Unless I just scalp it for a couple. No volume still, though. Okay, I think I am ready to do this. Okay. It's risky. It might not be done yet because we still haven't touched the top here. Wicks. Wow, look at that buy up. Scary. Yeah. All right, let's check the 1 minute and see if there was a volume spike on the sell off as opposed to the buy up. Tiny, gaining momentum, tiny, big, tiny. Yikes. The only good news is it took a lot of buyers to push it higher, and it didn't take that many sellers to push it lower into a engulfing 1 minute candle. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh man, when am I gonna learn just to trade the frickin' channel, bro? Just trade the channel until it gets broken. I keep anticipating that it's gonna break, and then it doesn't, and it pisses me off. Gosh, 700. I'm gonna do twice as much on that trade. Okay, is it gonna? It's finally coming out to the outside. Let's go looser here so we don't get too excited too early. It's still, yeah. It might pump on this. Okay, no worries. Let's see where all the sellers were. No, still the buy up. So volume doesn't say we're going down. So we've been going up for so long that we're overdue for a correction. Okay, we're breaking down. We still have to close below, but we've never wicked below like this. Now we should get a bullish reaction off the EMA, which I might take. I have to do puts. I have to. This is like classic need for retracement to the downside. Don't go back in the channel. Gosh. Okay, I widened it for safety, but let's go here. Wow, 29 in one direction. I'm not supposed to do that unless it's a winner and I'm adding. It's a loser though. That's the sell-off. But I might take profit down here at this line, or even here. But that means I would never make back my loss. Patience, Iago. Patience. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. What is that? Do I hold? What is that? The fuck is that? What was that? Some news? I don't know what that is. We're gonna pretend it didn't happen. What is that? I gotta let somebody say something. Who's live? This guy? Please tell me it's a sweep. All-time new highs again. I'm so confused. We're in a war and we're making all-time new highs every day. What to do? Accept the loser today. Break even week. Shit. Hang on. I did not want to do that. Waiting. Tank. Still green for the week, but I do. Bearish. We have 5 or 10 more minutes before it's gonna be forced to go up um, or not. Yeah, we're gonna have to go down. Man, market's moving like it does in the freaking after hours. Man, nobody's analysis. Too risky. What am I doing? Why would I do puts? Because if we break out, it would be right here or on the next candle. I don't have much buying power. This could be a bull flag. Fuck, dude. What am I? Wow, we pushed above. What? Look how much we got to the upside here. Look how high that is. What is going on? I got cooked. All right, break even for the week now.